Hey guys, it's me Latetiaaa and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a minute. I apologize. But we're going to start this video off with some Bobbi Brown primer. I really love this stuff. One, it smells really good and it makes my skin really soft and smooth. Next, I'm taking this brow soap that I got from Amazon. I'll put it down in the description box below, but I saw Madison Beer on Instagram use this and I found it, and I like this way better than the Gots to Be trick because the Gots to Be gel is so sticky. This one isn't nearly as sticky as that, and I'm just taking my fingers to smooth the brows out. Next, I'm going to fill in the gaps with my Ultra Slim Brow Pencil by Maybelline, and my brows are not done but we're gonna make it work and just go with a natural fluffy brow today. For my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint in the shade 18. I've given up on shade 17. It was sold out for the longest to the point where I honestly stopped looking for it. It might be back in stock at this point, but I've been making this work, especially once I put on some concealer. You really can't tell that much of a difference. This one is just a tad darker, but it's nothing too drastic. And I'm just blending that out with a fluffy foundation brush, and then I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch, and I'm doing the eyelid trick where I highlight the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyes, and of course the center of my face. And in a minute I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer brush and blend out my concealer. So I didn't plan to be away from my channel this long. It went from like, oh, I'm gonna take a break for a week to ending up taking a break for a month. I was honestly dealing with like a mental block. Like I really couldn't figure out what to put on my channel, because I know a lot of you really enjoy my makeup, but my makeup doesn't drastically change. Like I have a go-to system, a go-to routine. I might put in a few new products here and there, but if it's like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I'm taking my Fenty Beauty powder in Honey to set my entire face, especially under my eyes, because I do crease up quite a bit under my eyes, and my lids as well can get pretty oily. But yeah, I've just been trying to figure out how to expand my channel. You guys really like my try-on hauls, so I will be putting out another one. Here I'm going to take my Covergirl bronzer in the shade Ebony. This is hands down my favorite bronzer ever. It's the perfect shade. It goes on so smooth. The only thing is it's no longer in stores. Like you have to find it maybe on Amazon or eBay. But this has been my go-to for years. And as much as I love my Fenty Beauty bronzer, I always go back to that one. But now we're going to move on to lashes, and I'm taking my Great Lash Mascara, my mind went blank, and also my e.l.f. Blush. And I'm going to take those two bottom shades, mix them together, and blend it out on my cheeks. This video is going so fast, y'all. So now I'm going to take my Fenty highlighter in the shade Chic, Phreak, and Girl Next Door to keep the pink theme going and help match with the blush. And of course, highlight my cheeks and the center of my face. Now we're going to move on to lashes, and I'm taking my Kiss Couture lashes in the style Brassier, and I just went on ahead and put this clip of me actually putting my lashes on, because I don't think I really show that on camera that often, but I start with the outer corner and then the inner corner, and I press down in the middle. Now for my lips, I'm taking my brown lip liner from Nicka and a disposable lip gloss applicator, along with my Fenty Beauty Clear Gloss, just to go over my lips. And this has been my go-to summer makeup look. And can we get into this hair, y'all? Who is this? But I will I will link the unit down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.